ZeBirdBrain, and today we are talking about vectorization. So Harmony is often seen as this software that is only good for puppet animation and compositing, and being labeled as this software that was engineered exclusively for puppet animation and doing rigs and deformers and whatnot. However, did you know that in its roots, Harmony, or should I say its ancestors, US Animation, and by the way, you can find that on the Wikipedia page, that is highly unreliable, but for some things it's kind of interesting. You can see the older software that the company used to make. So back in the 90s, Tubum Opus, or also known as US Animation, was the big thing. It was a very powerful software that was notorious for vectorizing animation. And by vectorizing, I mean you would take your hand-drawn piece of paper, shove it in a scanner, and then this very powerful, state-of-the-art, revolutionary software would take the hand-drawn animation and convert it to vectors. And this was, back in the 90s, pretty revolutionary. So in its roots, Harmony started as a exclusively hand-drawn animation software. And only recently, like in the late 2000s, became this puppet powerhouse of a software that it is today. And of course, today, like, techniques evolved and paper animation is less common worldwide, so that's why there is less of a demand for such a powerful, vectorization tool. However, I think there are still many ways in which Harmony's vectorization legacy can be used in a more modern pipeline. And this is what we will explore in the next couple of videos. Disclaimer though, like I said, from the 90s. So a lot of these features became less and less useful, and the bulk of the coding was probably done like a while ago, so sometimes these tools are maybe not the most user-friendly, but I'm here to help you understand them. And I think that maybe if more people actually use them today, maybe they're gonna be updated and made better and stuff, because it's easy to see these vectorization features as being a bit on the older side and maybe not relevant anymore that much, but I stand by it. Even in 2024, it is very useful to use these features for many things, which is what we're gonna see together in the next couple of videos. So if you're interested in learning how to maybe take your drawings that you've done in other softwares, or take an image from your sketchbook and finalize it in Harmony. By the way, this is a little drawing that my friend Tree made. I'm gonna put his socials in the description. It is super adorable, and I thought it was perfect to show a couple of features using the scanning nodes. And I will also be using Elric, which is a character from Bad at Being Good, the projects I'm making with a bunch of buddies from the YouTube channel. And this drawing was made in collaboration with Doodledly and myself, so it's a mix of all our skills combined. And so these are the two main drawings I'm going to use for the next videos, and I thought I would just give credits where credits is due. And also, yes, this is Clip Studio Paint, because sometimes I don't work in Harmony. I also love Clip Studio Paint. It's great for many things. Not so much animation. I will always prefer to animate into Harmony. So anyway, stay tuned, and I'll see you again in the next video to actually learn more about these powerful vectorization features.